and today I am going to be teaching you how to make a good YouTube banner. First, you want to go to canva.com. Once you're there, you want to type in YouTube banner. Now, the icon should pop up, so click on it. Once you're there, you can select from any of these templates, but let's just go from a blank. What I always do is add a background first, and then I can focus on adding elements and shapes. So let's add this and expand it. And the thing with this is it comes with the text box, so we don't have to do text. So you can shrink the text and enlarge the text. But in this case, let's enlarge the text. You can either click, or you can hold, or you can just select from this menu. So, what are we going to be writing? Like and subscribe. And then your grammar may be off, and then you can always correct it like that. Or if you want to use fonts, you can. But for this, I'm going to use this font. Then, if you don't have quite right size, and you already did it, then you can hover over it and mark it. And then you can enlarge the text like that. But not only that, you can change single words to colors. So, for example, let's use like. And then once you have that, you can change the color. Don't go to this one. That's just going to change the whole color. But you can change the text color by doing this. Let's do that red. And then you can do it one by one. Just make sure not to use this. One by one, you can use multiple colors in one. And then you can also add buttons like. And then if your keyboard's broken like mine, you can, use things like this for equal sign. And then you can copy them over and over again until you have the right shape. And that's all there is. So, bye-bye.